Yeah, you should. Well, if you get bumped and you get out and you look at your bumper and there's nothing wrong with your bumper, and everybody's fine, and you've done your checks and everybody gets up and goes, probably not. But I can tell you this: if you get in an accident and the next thing you know, some insurance company is calling you about trying to adjust your claim and what happened, you ought not to be talking to them, and you ought to be talking to a lawyer right then and there.
And, that's not to say, and maybe this isn't the best thing to say, but sometimes you'll call a lawyer, Tyler will get a call from someone, and he'll say, look, you're better off handling that on your own, because my addition to the claim isn't there for you. I'm not, if you call the right attorneys, they're not just trying to grab a fee on it. The right attorneys in town, they'll just want you to get the best protection you can. And so you're tragically injured or you have a serious car wreck that's something's wrong with your back, it's a soft tissue injury, a little harder to argue, they're going to try to settle with you, and all we do is talk to these guys. We have a different kind of expertise in it that allows us to get that value added. There's other opportunities where you're not really hurt, you really have gone to doctors, you've done everything you can in your control, you've talked with us, and there's nothing there. If it's a $5,000 claim, the benefit of having the attorney on it isn't really a benefit.
The other thing I would say is if you're in an accident where you get any kind of an impact, any kind of damage, go to your own doctor. If they don't send you to the emergency room, go to your own doctor. And also, something that I've seen recently is if you do go to the emergency room, you better be careful, because you will not believe the number of tests that these insurance companies or that these hospitals will run on you now in the emergency room, because the only thing they know is you've been in an accident. They don't know how much insurance the other side has, and what they'll do is they won't bill your health insurance. They'll just wait around to see if you're going to make a bunch of money in your personal injury lawsuit and try to get paid back 100 cents on the dollar for what they paid. So I've seen the average hospital bill or emergency room bill when I was a kid was like maybe $2,000 to $3,000. I've seen them running into the $25,000 range, and they do all sorts of tests, most of which come back and saying there's nothing wrong with you. So you need to be careful. The other thing you need to be careful about is a lot of these doctors now are saying, oh, well, I know you have insurance, I know you have this, I know you have all that, but here I want you to sign this piece of paper that says, regardless of your insurance and all the rest of the stuff, I want you to personally guarantee that you're going to pay me 100 cents on the dollar. And they'll do that to people who have heart conditions and are not really in a position to be debating. You need to be very careful. Don't sign those things. You need to watch out for that.